So we have new news that has happened. We had this happen. Okay, so beautiful day. Today was a day we're supposed to dispatch our Penelope. So what's going on here, honey? What's going on?
After quite a few days of worry, probably 3 or 4 days of worry, where she was being very lethargic and it's the pig right there in question. After a few days, we decided that she wasn't getting any better. And rather than lose the meat, we were going to butcher her early, or process her, I'm sorry, early. And so yesterday we had somewhat of a very busy day prepping things in order to process early. Last night I came out and gave her some vegetables, some sweet potatoes, some broccoli stalks, and just a little bit of cornmeal. And she really wasn't having it at all. But I did bring out some hay, and that really brought her out. And came out this morning, and lo and behold, she's made a miraculous recovery. And,
Thank God.
you can see now she's...
Yeah. She ate her breakfast. Did she eat all her breakfast?
Yes, she ate all her breakfast.
And she ate frozen milk. And she's still, hay. And she's eating hay, and she's up and moving, and she's her ornery self again. She's pushing everybody around. She's back to normal. So we're gonna wait until she's 9 or 10 months.
Until late March or early April to process her.
Yeah.
Hopefully put a little bit more weight on her.
Yeah.
And put her in our freezer.
Yep, and that is. That's the way it is on the homestead. You never know what's going to happen. You have to be flexible, and you have to adjust to the to what's happening on the homestead. We're ready if in case.
Yeah, what we believe happened is that she got something bad to eat.
Yep.
We don't know whether it was. We don't know what it is, but something just didn't agree with her, and she just had to work its way through her system.
Yep.
And we believe the roughage, the hay, helped her move it through her system.
That's right. That's right. Yep. They're back to normal, and they're good. There's Charlotte right there. She's going to be my breeding IPP.
These two love to eat.
Yep, yeah, they do. She's in really good shape. She's not overweight. She's very fit and trim to have babies. So we're going to look for a sire for her, or a hog or a boar or whatever you want to call it, to get her impregnated so we can give away the piglets to our church people and keep a couple for ourselves. And this is, and she's going in our freezer this year. So there's no doubt about me doing that, or us doing that. She's our meat pig right there. So that's important. She's our producer. So thank goodness we don't have to butcher today, right?
No. But there's always something to do.
Yes. So Penelope's up and moving. She's happy. She's normal.
Yeah.
We're happy. Now we can do other things that we have to do around